In this video, we are going to continue Unit 1, Lesson 5, Day 3. So we're going to select our folder for Lesson 5. We're going to go to our weekly agenda and review what we need. So for Day 3, we're going to be using our Unit 1 Note-Taker to identify golden lines so that we can support our future writing. So if we go over to our Note-Taker, which will be in your Google Drive, or you can access it through Schoology, you need to first define what this article is about. So what do they talk about in this article? This article is a dean of admissions view of what makes an interesting college candidate and the value of having failed as a life experience. So then once we have our summary, our 1-sentence or 2-sentence summary of the article, what we're going to do then is go back to our article in Common Lit, and we need to find a good golden line. You may have already identified your golden lines, then you can simply copy and paste them. I like this one here in paragraph 6. I'm going to take this as one of mine. We get the most excited when we read an application that seems real. It's so rare to hear stories of defeat and triumph that when we do, we cheer. If their perspectives are of lessons learned or challenges overcome, these applicants tend to jump to the top of the heap at highly selective colleges. We believe an error in high school should not define the rest of your life, but how you respond could shape your future. So, of course, we're going to copy that information. We're going to bring it back to our note taker. And once we're in our note taker, we're going to drop that information in. So Control V if that's what you end up going with. And then what you're going to want to do, we're going to drop our text in. And we can also go on and check and see if there are any other golden lines or anything else that speaks to us as far as the text goes. I also like this line here in paragraph 7. I think this is a good paragraph, something that we might want to consider. So of course we're going to copy and paste that. It might be a possible choice for when we're writing our paper. So I'm going to drop it back into our note taker. And the next step in our note taker is to consider how does this support our claim? And if I need to go back and identify, is this hard work? Is this kid taking a class a second time and learning from it and doing better and getting a better grade? Is that determination or is that hard work? Maybe it's a little bit of both. I need to decide where it falls the best. Or maybe it's an accomplishment. What do I want to use that for? I know that I need more for hard work. And I think that I might be able to use this for hard work. I'm actually going to highlight this entire thing here for hard work, and hopefully I'll be able to come back and use it just so that I can reference it. And I also think that this might be a good example of determination, right? Maybe I can use that for determination. So I can use that later and I can reference it at a later time. I just need to make sure that what I am highlighting